gente! How's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Lo Cubano. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with some montuno. Here we go. 5, 6, some montuno. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. One more time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. A lo cubano. Nice and slow. Cross with the left leg on 1. Open out on 2. Kick with that same left leg on 3. Feet together on 4. Then cross with the right foot on 5. Open up on 6. Kick on 7. Feet together 8. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Son montuno. And 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so I can reach out to others and share the love with dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright, mi gente, so when doing a lo cubano, the main thing is to keep the weight on one foot. So if I'm crossing here on my 1, opening up on my 2, kicking on 3, notice I'm just balancing on that 1 foot, right? Vice versa, I go cross, open, kick together, right? Now on the kick and the cross, I want to make sure when I'm crossing not like this, like right in front of my knees, right? Just enough where I can like see my foot. It's like, okay, it's crossing, it's opening out. And the kick, you want to kick no higher than your shin. I don't want to see any go, yeah, any high kicks, right? So nice and low on those kicks, right? So we're gonna go 1, 2, kick together, cross, out, kick together, all right? So let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, nice and slow. Somos turno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, a lo cubano. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, somos turno. 1, 2, 3. Again, here we go. A lo cubano. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, somos turno. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Double time. Y a lo cubano. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6, a lo cubano. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Es un montuno. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude the lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.